600 Fijians living with an amputation are about to receive a new lease on life as they get specially fitted with custom prostheses. I recall that the Jaipur team first set foot on our shores back in 2011 when my government had paid to have them flown here to fit 314 amputee patients with specialized prostheses. As the COVID-19 pandemic consumed health systems around the world, however, including our own, people requiring prostheses were unable to access regular services. At the end of March this year, 100 Fijian amputee patients were waiting for a prosthesis. Noting that the surge in demand placed a heavy burden on our recovering health system, the government of India stepped in to support, and in addition, the Australian government has stepped in to cover additional costs. They have also renovated the National Council for Disability Complex in Mombasa. We do not take their generosity for granted and continue to cherish our strong partnerships. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I am told that 636 amputees will benefit from this project. 636, a remarkable number. This, of course, includes 164 above-knee amputees, 447 below-knee amputees, 15 below elbow, and 10 bilateral lower limb amputees. For these patients, life is about to change dramatically. A professionally fitted prosthetic can boost feelings of self-esteem, self-worth, and dignity, provide hope for a brighter future, counter feelings of depression, and raise the standards of living for people living with a disability. That to me is priceless. They will also regain much of their independence as they are able to once more be productive within their homes and communities. Many will be able to return to work, to continue earning a living for their families, and of course contribute to the Fijian economy.